Now, looking across the country, there are now more than 17,000 reported cases of coronavirus. That is nearly 4 times as many as we reported Monday. This morning, the death toll is at least 216 people. CBS 4's Natalie Brand reports from the White House.
I hate to say this, but it's true. We are now the epicenter of this crisis right here in the nation's largest city.
Across the country, government agencies at every level are enacting new restrictions to slow the spread of the coronavirus.
If we can't reduce or at least flatten the curve when it comes to the COVID infections, we're going to be in trouble.
California was the first state to issue a mandatory stay-at-home order. Others are now following its lead.
So we're going to put out an executive order today. New York State on pause.
President Trump says a nationwide lockdown is not being considered right now, but the president took another step to close the U.S. border.
As we did with Canada, we're also working with Mexico to implement new rules at our ports of entry to suspend non-essential travel.
Experts say keeping people home is the only sure way to cut down on new infections.
I don't think necessarily every single situation, every single region or location needs to be that way, but certainly in the response to the kind of situation that you're seeing in New York, and I think that was an appropriate move.
The needed closures have ground parts of the economy to a halt, triggering what some analysts predict could be an unprecedented surge in layoffs.
The bottom line is very simple. If we don't deal with the health crisis, nothing we do will make the economy any better.
Lawmakers have spent the day negotiating a $1 trillion stimulus package. The proposal includes relief for small businesses, loans to impacted industries, and direct cash payments to individuals based on income and family size.
The sooner you get the cash, the income flowing, the better it will be, because if people a week from now see no hope, you're going to have a lot of social unrest.
Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says the Senate will work through the weekend to hammer out the details. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.